Infinix has launched its new gaming-centric phone under GT series in some selected global market as Infinix GT 50 Pro, with a dedicated pressure-sensitive shoulder triggers for better gaming experience, and it also features dynamic RGB light array on its rear panel. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix GT 50 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution LTPS AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate chipset paired with Mali G720MC7 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As for the optics, the Infinix GT 50 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main with f1.59 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 111-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 45 watts wired fast charging support and 30 watts wireless fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on XOS 16 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes HydroFlow liquid cooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.44 by 77.23 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 198 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix GT 50 Pro has been priced in Indonesia for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 6,998,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage option is priced at 7,499,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Black Abyss, Red Blaze, and Silver Glacier color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix GT 50 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.